All right, everyone. Bitcoin is having a strong bounce off of the support level, which I'm sure you've seen in so many other videos today. I'm 100% sure of it, but you've never seen it analyzed like this. I'm going to tell you what this means. I warned you about this in yesterday's video. This is not surprising in the slightest. Before we get started into the analysis, because I do think more downside is coming to a chart near you, I'm going to show you how high up I think this is going to go here. Are we going to go towards all-time high? You will find out in this video. You will find out my future trade plans. I closed out my entire short for BTC and ETH down here that you saw in yesterday's video. Massive profits on that. In today's video, we're going to start out with a little excerpt from yesterday. This was the structure, smaller time frame that I did warn you about yesterday. I'll zoom in on it for you here. We were looking at this shape right here. We were about like right here when the video was made, I think. Run the tape. I want to be there in case this does jackknife through. You know, nothing's a guarantee in trading. I can only assign probabilities to these wave structures, guys. All right, you know, and guess what? I was there when it jackknifed through. Overall, this shape that I drew with this impulse off, it's still playing out. I warned you of the flat yesterday that it's a good possibility it can come down here. And that's ringing true. Nothing surprising at all. So basically picking up from where we left off yesterday, we're going to analyze this. I'm going to show you my targets for this move to the upside. I'm going to show you smaller time frame, what I'm looking at, because I'm in no trades currently, but I'm looking to try to hop into a long here if the opportunity presents itself. This is Elliott wave theory, guys. Advanced Elliott wave concept. You've never seen it done like this before. If you are not trading using Elliott wave, you're doing it wrong. I promise you that. If you want to learn Elliott, there's a free course in the free Discord right here. I made a free boot camp for you. It's 3 hours long. It's videos. Watch it, learn it, get an overview of how I trade. All that is pinned in the first comment down below. It's right in the free Discord. Just join that. Okay, let's get into it. Over on Blowfin, you can see here, I closed out my ETH. I took half profits and then another half. I closed out my BTC shorts. Beautiful day, nice profits. On to the next trade. What are you looking at, Alex? What are you looking at? Well, this is what I see shaking out on the BTC chart. We're zooming out. 4-hour time frame. As you guys know, I'm looking for this to come down in here. I still think more downside is to come. But how are we going to get this move to the downside? Looking at indicators real quick. 4 hours oversold, 2 hours oversold, 1 hour oversold with bullish divergence. Do not overlook that. There is bullish divergence on the chart. If we look at the daily, if we look at the 12-hour, it looks bearish to me. There's nothing that looks bullish here to me. On these charts, it does look bearish, at least for a bigger move to the downside here. But medium term, you know, we're expecting a bounce and looking to trade this sucker. So just keep in mind, this is the overall structure, overall shape I'm looking to form. Coming down to our fib targets right on down here to the 1618 box would be nice. We can leak a little lower, of course. Now, from an Elliott wave point of view, this impulse off the top, I'm calling this a 1. This right here is a correction, a flat correction, zigzag up, zigzag down. That breaks the low, impulse up, 2. And this is my primary count, guys. There are other ways to interpret this. This is just my primary. I don't have time to go over every single count and every single possibility for you. Just know that there are other counts and other possibilities. This is my primary that I am playing. We have a 1, 2. We have a second 1 that has been put in on a more minor degree. We are forming our 2, which we are in the C leg of a minor degree. And I'm looking for an impulsive leg to match this impulsive leg. So I'm looking for a 1, 2, coming down for 3, 4, 5. That's what I want it to look like. And I can say, hey, okay, now we got to finish A, B, C. Now we can come on to the downside and check out these lower levels around 80K, sub 80K. But this correction is due. 1 hour and 4 hour, like I said, are oversold. And let's get everyone bullish again, because you know Every YouTuber, every channel, every Discord, every Twitter account, every single person on God's green earth is bullish as crap right now. Everyone's buying this right now. Show me someone who's bearish. Who's bearish right now? So if you think everyone's going to make money here on this move, you're sadly mistaken. Now, this is the overall structure I'm looking at. Let's break it down and see how this is going to play out. Let's see some upside targets here. And let's analyze this smaller time frame. If you guys want access to what I'm doing with my trades real time as I put them in, check out the Discord, the premium Discord. I have all my alerts in there. We do live streams. We just got done with a 3-4 hour live stream today where we're learning Elliott Wave. We're going through market analysis, charting up everything. 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts. My indicators are all included. Just click upgrade here in the free Discord. Check out the WAP link. See what's all included there. I got a 4-day free trial as well. So 4 days you can get in there free. And then if you like it, stay in it and become a premium member. Check it out. Now, let's take it down to like the 1 hour time frame. I'm getting rid of everything. So what we have here from our second leg to the downside, as I zoom out, this is our second leg to the downside, is an impulsive wave followed by a corrective leg up, a flat corrective leg down that broke the low. I'm looking for an impulsive leg to the upside. Guys, this can very well, no pullbacks here. We're not going to give Alex an entry on a long. We're just going to rip to the upside. That's great. I'll get the next trade. But I'm waiting for signs to enter long if I get it. And essentially, I'm pulling fibs on this flat correction. And I'm looking for 5 waves to the upside here for my C leg. Here's the A, our zigzag up, our zigzag down that broke the lows B, impulsive leg up C. How high is this going to go? Well, at least we're going to sweep liquidity up here, right? But remember, I need to see a finished 5 waves. I only have 1, 2. We're working on 3. It appears we're working on 3. I'm going to show you something smaller time frame here in a second that could lead to a really good entry if it plays out. And this wouldn't be considered 3 yet. But for right now, we're going to say we're working on 3. You would expect this to get pretty extended into 4, into 5. Something like that looks proportionally appropriate for our C leg. That looks like a nice clean 5-wave impulse. Essentially, I'm waiting to see a flag out somewhere into a wave 5. That would be my signs. Hey, this thing's losing steam. We're finishing up here. And I'll be looking to short if I don't get a good long opportunity here. Hoping we get a pullback here. We're going to go over that. So overall, this is what I'm looking at. I think we do need to come back to these levels. That would be sexy. It would be sexy. And then, boom, hammer gets dropped. We actually, with conviction, bust through all of this support. All of this support will get taken. It's just the most probable thing to happen, in my opinion. Albeit, hey, good bounce here. Good bounce here. I'm not going to scoff at it. There is counts that say, hey, this is a finished correction right there. We're going to the upside now. It can happen, guys. It can happen. It's just not what I'm seeing as being the most probable thing and not what I'm playing. Now, so we're looking for a 5-wave impulse to the upside, at least to the 1618, probably going to come up to the 22236, somewhere up in here to this fair value gap would be nice. You can translate this to Ethereum. All your other charts kind of are looking very similar, obviously. We do Bitcoin because you can translate this to all your other cryptos as well. So let's go smaller time frame here and look at this. Let's see if we can find some entries, see if we can find some possible opportunities that may pop up tonight into tomorrow. If this keeps pushing, no pullbacks, nothing down here where we can enter, I'm just going to be chilling. Wait for a wave 4, maybe try to tackle a little scalp for the wave 5 up. And then I'm looking short. So I'm not worried, I'm chilling. Smaller time frame. Also, guys, you know, we do trade mainly on Blowfin. I am trading on BitUnix as well for scalps. These are the two best no VPN, no KYC exchanges available globally. It's what everyone is using. These two exchanges, Blowfin, BitUnix. Check out the links pinned in the first comment down below if you want to give them a try. I hook you guys up with the best bonuses available for the Chart Junkies community. I annoy these exchanges for those bonuses. If you want to pause the screen and see what the bonuses are, check them out. 10% deposit bonus, trading volume bonuses over on Blowfin, pause the screen. BitUnix, 15% off trading fees, it's VIP2 trading fees, and then 20% deposit bonus on your deposits. Check them out. Pin in the first comment down below. We'll hook you up with those promotions and get you trading. All right, so we're going smaller time frame on this impulsive leg to the upside. So, what I'm seeing and what I'm hoping plays out for a possible entry, I really don't want to see this go much higher. I want this high to hold. If she holds, I can entertain, hey, we got a correction down. We got a correction up. And you guessed it, a little flat, a little flatty. Coming on down impulsively. If I start seeing some impulsivity to the downside here, oh, it's going to look nice. I mean, we could come down to the 2. That would look nice. But that would be my 1 into a 2 of my impulse. All this is a correction of our original starting leg. And then I'd be looking to hop into a long down in here, depending on where I see this finishing out in, at as this wave progresses to the downside, to catch a nice big hefty wave to the upside. To the upside. Up to our 98, 100K targets. Now, something to watch out for is we can have just a corrective wave here. Watch for a rejection at the 1-to-1. I'm not you know, counting this out. We could have an ABC right here. Come up to the 1-to-1. If we hit with a 5th wave here, because this looks like just about a finished 5-wave impulse. If we hit to the high one more time, watch this 95.5K level. I just feel like if they're taking it up that high, why wouldn't they take out this liquidity up here? You know what I'm saying? But hey, if we get a solid rejection here, might try to enter short on a pullback, hoping this is an ABC. If we come up to the 1-to-1, if we turn around right here and dump, I'm going to be looking to fire long on this sucker. Might take a stab on a short right here. We'll see. See if I can catch this wave down. If I don't play it, don't play. But that's what I'm looking at, guys. That is what I'm looking at. Hey, I hope you guys made some money on these trades the past couple days. Hope you guys are doing well. Come over to the premium Discord if you really want to learn how to implement Elliott wave theory, see how it's done, actually learn this stuff. Take the course to get the foundations down, but come over to the premium Discord and really learn this stuff. It'll change your life. It really will. Check out Blowfin. Check out BitUnix. Hope you guys are doing great. Trade safe. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to the damn channel if you're not already. I see you. I know who you are. Peace.